Profesora, voy a hacer el video de inglés referente a la tarea anterior. Hi everyone, last week we shared our Instagram post about Paris and it got more than 1000 likes. Today I want to show you what people can do, see and enjoy in this magical city. In Paris, there are a lot of amazing activities. You can go along the Seine River, take a boat tour, or relax in the parks. There are many places to take photos and enjoy the atmosphere. You can also visit museums, explore the city center, and do some shopping. In Paris, there is always something to do, day or night. Paris has many beautiful places to see. There is the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and some wonderful gardens. French food is delicious. There are croissants, baguettes, crepes, cheese, and a lot of tasty dishes. You can drink a warm coffee in a Parisian cafe and enjoy the moment. There are also many shops where you can buy souvenirs, perfumes, and clothes. If you visit Paris, start early because there are many attractions. The Eiffel Tower is next to the river, so it's easy to find in the city center. There are many cafes around you. Be patient, walk carefully, and enjoy every corner. Take some photos, buy some gifts, and try traditional French food. Explore the small streets and discover the real Paris. It's inspiring, romantic, and full of life. Paris is waiting for you. There are so many things to do, see, and taste. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more travel videos. Bye.